Hi everybody, it's already end of March and I just can't grasp how time flies. Today I just want to show you around the plot, the allotment, which is based in South Wales in the UK. And if you follow my channel, then you probably know that I'm using quite an unusual method for this climate. And the method is called deep hay mulching or deep mulching, developed by American gardener Root Stout. The idea behind the method is to cover the soil and imitate what nature does anyway. So let me show you around. Okay, this is the garden. It's the 28th of March 2023. The weather is as it is. It's quite cold. We had cold weekend because some kind of cold weather came from the north. And some of you might think this looks messy and untidy, but in my eyes this is just black canvas for creations and for growing a lot of plants in the coming season. Now, as you can see, 90, probably 5% of my plot is covered with biomaterials, mostly hay, and this is called deep mulching. Why deep? Because the layer of mulch needs to be thick. I'm always saying this in every single video and I will keep saying it because this is the basic of the method. If the mulch is not thick enough, you won't feel the benefits. The weeds will go through, the soil will dry out, and you won't have as many benefits as if you have enough mulch. If you can see, now this is a very good example here. So the left side is mulched and the right isn't, and you can see the difference in weeds. So 98% of my plot is self-managed and I don't have to worry at all. All I have to do is just enjoy and keep creating. Now it's been really quiet winter when it comes to the gardening, and the reason why is because method works for me. I didn't have to be here because I don't have weeding. I'm not applying huge amount of manure. All I do is I always dig a handful of manure below every root when I'm planting. By doing that, I definitely need less manure and each plant gets more. With this method, I am definitely just trying to reduce the amount of work, and as evident, yes, I'm succeeding so far. Now this is my, I think, 8th year of deep mulching. I've done 4 years in Croatia, which has obviously very different climate than the UK. So when I took this plot, I just couldn't win the weeds. It was too much for me because I have a rather busy life. And I just thought I will try mulching. If I fail, then I will know it's not for this climate, it doesn't work. But this is the result. I was very afraid of mainly slugs because everybody told me don't cover the soil, you will have a lot of slugs. But nobody tried the method, so I thought, how can I accept an advice based on nothing? I am a very stubborn person. And I just gave it a go, and this is my 4th year mulching, and I will definitely not go back. It works. It works for the wildlife, it works for the garden, it works for me. I have huge crops every year. The slugs are not a problem at all. Yes, I have slugs, but not more than without the mulch. And slugs are a huge topic, and I will talk about them in a separate video in the coming months. So yes, so many things I would like to convey, so many things I would like to talk about. I think 8 years gave me quite significant experience. I don't know everything, I will never know, but I give myself right to claim certain things in 2 different climates for which I'm grateful to have opportunity or to have opportunity. So what do I do in this period of the year? Nothing much. I'm just planting in recycled or upcycled pots, such as plastics you buy fruit in or meat, and I keep those in my friend's greenhouse at the moment. and there's nothing to do here. Everything is managed since the last autumn. I can just come here, enjoy the quiet day, and just witness life unfolding before me. uh, it's just absolutely stunning. Let me show you something else. These are the wood shavings because I am also a wood turner, and this is what I've produced by making balls on the lathe machine. And yes, you can use it as long as it hasn't been treated with chemicals, and I know this came from the logs, which is absolutely fine. Now there's a question about allelopathy, which is a property of the plants to contain certain chemicals which will prevent other plants from germinating or growing. The best example would be an oak or walnut or conifers. You know that nothing grows below conifers. And funny enough, these are conifers, but I'm not concerned at all because there is no much scientific evidence online, or at least I haven't found it, about allelopathy. And also my question is, the question is, what happens with these properties when the plant decomposes? What happens with the chemicals? I'm not really literate with chemistry, so I won't make any comments. But yes, I was brave enough or stupid enough to apply this conifer mulch, and we'll see what happens in a few years' time. Right, the rain is starting, so I think that's it for today. Just a short video, 7 minutes. I don't want to be talking too much. I don't want to be boring. And I hope I'll post more videos in the coming months because the season is waking up, and so am I. Enjoy, empower, deliver, create, and celebrate life. Thank you very much.